place. Me tired and me fed up by it. Too much innocent life away. Me tired and me fed up by it. Frustration full up my face. Me tired and me fed up by it. Crime agent them on the gate. Every day I just wanna know. Always remember this together we rise, divided we fall. Me say welcome, I hope all is well. Knowledge and wisdom I give away free, none nah sell. Welcome to Lion Foot Channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell. Please and thanks, do give thanks.
Well, I'm here, so she keep her round robin and the Dan round there. Must see, I think the Dan there at jail, so him send message to her saying want $50,000 out of the money. And she send back a message say, tell him say me not mind no big pussy boy. And must say, yeah, that's if it does her.
Obviously, this just go on already this road. That bike man just pull up that woman, yeah.
Why that girl, we are mouth saucy still, you know. Her mouth saucy, so why she this man them, brother?
Sad.
But police go there this morning me here and tell her say them here say I hit them on her head. But come like she take it for joke thing.
Everywhere you turn is war. People are dead like flowers in a pot. Ride by on bikes or drive by in a car. Program a run, them a plot for attack. I don't know whether I eat or drink. All I know, them are evil and stink. Them just a pray fi make blood leak like ink. Before they hack, I wish they would just think. When will it end? One know when. My viewers and subscribers, when them a go stop kill women and children. John and my viewers and subscribers, first and foremost, condolence to this lady, you know. I just get the video, and I say I have to touch upon it straight away. You know what I mean, my viewers and subscribers, because I don't know you know what I mean, are important, so I have to share the views and the message to you. So I say, to now I can know what's going on. This is pure arms house. I don't support it. Cold-blooded murder in the day. See? And that woman, she dead over her own thing. She keep her own robin. And allegedly, the dancer want 50 grand. And she reply back, say she now mind a big putty man. And then allegedly him order it. Bike man pull up and she get boom bang bang. For me that is wrong. No support that. Kill someone over them things. That's pure bad man. Extortion, bullyism, illiteracy, fully dunce. Well, based off of the voice note to the voice note, they must say. You know what I mean? Allegedly, the Dan is inside in jail, and you know the girl said she keep her own robin and come like the own robin do good. You know what I mean? And yo, me I tell you story. For those who don't know what round robin is, in every week somebody get them keep a party and somebody get them draw, you know? Draw no style. Feel it now that woman are gone for her kids them. You know, and the brother say, yo, even if she says she not mind a big pussy man. See him? Excuse my French. Let's say if you kill a lady where things 50 grand a monkey money in a them a time, man. Even though people want to spend this. Me would want to spend my mother, but I want it right now to spend. You see me? But at the end of the day, a chump she take a life for 50 grand that can't bury much less do 9 night. Two pair of shoes and that down or one pair of shoes. You get me? Life, I tell me say life no value nothing at them time. Man. See what going on with George Floyd. You know? And what going on Jamaica boy, me I tell you Jamaica style. I love Jamaica, but me I tell you boy. Them a generation of them terrible. Them wicked, heartless, vicious, covetous, Then killer brawling. Less than 50 grand they me kill you for nothing. So a bike pull up on the new style of badness now when the bike young pull up. You know what I mean? That's why you me say ride by on bike, you know what I mean, and drive by in a car. That I go on now, you see me? But you see that a person who commit that act, him not live long. Because what? Nothing either Jamaica. And even if him have an helmet and people don't see him, people are going to hear a who and police are going to hear a who. Because him one friend them are go sus and it and news are going to go around and yeah, John Tam, you know. Not just how Jamaica stay. Born and living at the ghetto. See it and know it. I almost do it. I'm one talk, one advice. I must take a look at myself and step back. Viewers and subscribers, me nah lie, yo, I'm fed up, I'm tired and fed up of it, man. You see me? I'm tired and fed up of it. Senseless killing, yo. You know what I mean? Senseless killing. Me can't tell a man how to live them life, you know. Me just have to try, speak the truth and rights. And I willing for dead for the rights. Like Marcus Garvey, Paul Bogle. Me and your friend, I'm telling you the truth, I vex. I saw them say the truth is an offense. But you must can talk to your friends and tell me if I'm wrong. I just make a mistake. I look it and say you're true, you know. Because so I see it. If I'm wrong. I'm not too big for apologize. You see me? But me I tell you story, yo, I feel for that lady. Yeah. Like I'm feeling for George Floyd and the rest of people, you know what I mean? The innocent killing. Please, me I beg you, done with it now. Please, me I beg you, brothers, done with it now, man. In Jamaica, cool long now, man. Please, me I beg you, man, done with the violence and the killing, man, the senseless killing, man. Stop taking innocent lives, bad man. But now I'm not against you, you know, but me just beg you, please, man. Don't know enough for doing the things there, but think before you act now, man. Think before you act, because badness are just under the ground, you know, or jailhouse, you know. And if you go to jail and spend 10, 20 years, you come out with the same thing, you know where you're going, you're going to go back and you're going to dead. Because that's so it go. It's like a cycle. Please, man. You see me? Yeah, my viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself, you know, star. Big up on yourself. You see me? Yeah, me just want to put this out still and make my views be heard, you know. And peace and love, you say, man. Peace and love conquer all, man. You see me? Blessed love.
Big up Lionfoot, subscribe to the channel now. Represented from Afghanistan families. Yo, peace out.